Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start immediately. Wash and decontaminate because coating bonds only to pristine paint. Once done, clay and correct swirl marks to a smooth 2000 plus finish. Make sure paint is free of oils. Then mix or use the Gyeon Prep 2:1 IPA style and wipe each panel in one direction, flip towel and repeat. Work in the shade at 10 to 25 degrees Celsius and under 70% humidity because temperature and moisture control the flash and cure. You now apply Gyeon One using a tight, repeatable grid method so every area gets uniform coverage. Shake the bottle 10 to 20 seconds, dose 2 to 3 drops per 40 by 40 centimeter area on the suede applicator, then lay product in straight lines and cross-hatch to spread evenly. Once it flashes, typically 30 to 90 seconds depending on temperature, level using a fresh microfiber with light, overlapping passes. Make sure to work one panel at a time to avoid. You finish by inspecting and managing cure times because premature exposure ruins the bond. Once a full car is done, allow 60 to 90 minutes before light water contact, avoid washing for 3 days, and let the coating reach full mechanical cure over 7 days. If you see high spots or haze, immediately level with a clean microfiber and QD. Make sure to remove excess rather than buff harshly. If humidity caused streaking, rewipe with prep. Dry completely and reapply that small zone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.